Mom, Dad, the AC's broken.
You've got a busy household on a tight budget with a lot to do and no time for something to break. For many families, this would be a time to panic. But not for this family. They're in the HomeSafe Zone. HomeSafe helps homeowners protect against expensive major home system and appliance repair costs, like your plumbing, heating, AC, and even more. And for covered parts and appliances, if they can't repair it, HomeSafe will help replace it.
HomeSafe works for me. I know it'll work for you.
An AC repair can cost $2,500. Electrical repairs can cost up to $17 per square foot. And a fridge could cost over $1,000. That's money you could save on your next home repair by calling HomeSafe now.
Home system and appliance failures will happen. Make sure you don't get hit with those expensive bills and get your home in the HomeSafe Zone by calling now.
To save money on expensive appliance or home system repairs, call HomeSafe before something breaks now and get a 30-day money-back guarantee and into the HomeSafe Zone. 800-998-8328.